LA County outbreak of a very contagious illness.
Dozens of children have whooping cough at just one school, and there are other clusters out there. CBS News' Lesley Marin is live at Harvard Westlake School in Studio City with more on what's being done to help stop the spread. Lesley.
Suzanne, Peter, we know here at Harvard Westlake they are sanitizing classrooms more frequently to stop the spread of this infection. But since November, 30 students have come down with a case of whooping cough. But this is just one of 3 areas across the county right now dealing with an outbreak of whooping cough among teens. Why are you wearing a mask? Sorry.
So I don't get sick.
Students at Harvard Westlake are taking extra precautions not to get sick. 30 of their classmates across the middle and high school campuses have reportedly come down with whooping cough.
They're being really strict about checking everybody out once they have any symptoms. So I definitely think it's getting taken care of.
The school notified families when cases were first reported back in November. They have since been sanitizing classrooms more frequently and recently implemented a new protocol where 6 students must test negative for the infection before returning to school. This mom's son was recently battling a cold.
He had a cold and he followed the school's protocol and he did the test on the first day. I felt like he was cold.
LA Public Health is investigating 3 large clusters of whooping cough across the county. The cases are among 11 to 18-year-olds. Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, is highly contagious among younger children and can be deadly to infants. Symptoms include a signature cough that comes with a distinctive whooping sound. According to doctors, the best protection against the infection is a vaccine. Back at Harvard Westlake, this father is just glad the school is stepping up to protect his kid.
You know, I ask people to stay home if they're sick, and they're on top of it.
Administrators here at Harvard Westlake did tell me of the 30 kids that came down with whooping cough, all of them were reportedly vaccinated. None of them have been hospitalized. Peter, public health officials are asking parents, if you believe your child has flu-like symptoms, take them to the doctor and get them tested for whooping cough. That's the latest from Studio City. Lesley Marin.